What is up, foodie fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. As you can tell, I'm super excited because Christmas came early for me. Bhigs Organic Food decided to surprise me with this huge package. Stay tuned and let's unbox it and see what's inside. Before we unbox, if you haven't heard of Bhigs Organic Food, they have a wide range of organic products with no additives. I've tried some of their products and I really love them. They are the first brand that worked with me when I started this whole food journey, and I genuinely love their products. If you want any of their product, please check the description box down below for all their contact details. Me na the way the box heavy no, now I know say the products chow. So they sent us Ariella premium brown rice. Charlie, I'm going to cry on my con. And agushi powder. Yeah, be kontomri. What's this? Tiger nuts flour. And white rice. Ariella white rice as well. Turkey berry. Dawa powder, prekese powder. This range of products, I haven't tried them before, so I can't wait to actually use them. Baked honey is the real deal. I've used it before and it's superb. Chili powder, yam frame, you should try it. This Tom Brown, it's fire. Tom Brown dandelion in Afra. Onapo, like it's so organic and healthy. No be small healthy things with the camp chop, and their virgin coconut oil. If you've ever tasted my coconut fried rice, you come correct. They know I like their coconut oil, so they sent to Charlie. It's the packaging for me. Like it's very handy and very easy to carry around. Their granite oil too, when you use it for that bochi kibabe obawo. So yeah, the virgin coconut oil is very nice. The garlic powder, I'm yet to try it. And this mixed spice is fire. Use it for your stews and your jollof. Your neighbor will hear of you. Direct translation, just say neighbor better onka. And I've used that turmeric powder as well for my turmeric rice, and it's very nice. And this palm oil, correct zomio, no be fake things. It will be correct with your beans, your kontomire, and all. Then can you tell that there's no drop of oil in this box? The products have been in the box for about 3 days, so you can travel with it. And the way the products are, I won't do giveaway, or should I? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed unboxing with me. Until I come your way next time, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, share with your friends and family, and see you soon with amazing recipes with all these lovely products.